If you're tired of searching through menus for the same commands, the Favorite Commands tool lets you create quick, convenient shortcuts. On the View menu, go to Toolbars and turn on Favorite Commands. This will display the Favorite Commands toolbar, including the I button and any commands you have already added. The I button is used to manage your favorite commands. Right-click it and select Add a New Button. In the Pick a Menu Item window, find the command you want to add. For this example, let's select the Polygon to F tool, which does not have a standard keyboard shortcut. Once selected, the new button appears on the toolbar. Hover over the button to see its tooltip. ViewMate automatically assigns it a name and a keyboard shortcut. If the default button text is not useful, right-click the button and select Change the Text. You can then label it however you prefer. You can also change the button icon. Right-click the button and select Change Image. Browse to the bitmap file you want to use and select it. The bitmap should be 24 by 24 pixels. Place your 9 most used commands there, and you can access them without searching through the menus.